they are bigger than you think. From Swedish super harvesters to American logging legends, we take you through the most powerful forestry machines on the planet, where technique and power collide. This is the world of ultimate jungle machines. Cutting old pine trees on the northern coast, where the sea breeze blows and the waves constantly crash. Timber falling arduous but proud work, requiring patience and strength. Old tree branches, which have been attached to heaven and earth since the beginning of the last millennium, are now carefully collected from 50-meter-high cliffs. This work is not only a physical challenge, but also a journey to preserve the longevity of nature, bringing respect to Mother Earth. HR-86, a reliable machine, ideal for difficult forestry work. With its 195 QAGO Power 74 LFN 6-cylinder engine, it easily handles large trees, weighing around 21,000 kg. HR-86 provides outstanding stability on steep terrain thanks to its hydrostatic drive system, combined with the Kessler 25 RH2 harvesting head to help speed up project progress. True to its name, this harvester combines power and advanced technology to deliver excellent results. How do you rate the performance and price of these machines? Safety is always the top priority. The KX280 tree cutter, a great assistant for 515-ton excavators, will bring you a completely new working experience. With its large hydraulic cutting force, it can handle tree trunks up to 60 km in diameter in the blink of an eye. This device will save you a lot of time and effort. The safety protection system and sturdy structure help you work with peace of mind. Flexible shooting angles allow you to reach the most difficult locations. Forget traditional axes and hammers. With Trunchetatris, RP200S, UP-ER pruning trees, and splitting wood has never been so simple. Equipped with a 15Q motor, this device allows you to easily process logs up to 50 km in diameter. Extremely sharp cutting blades, combined with a sturdy design, help cut quickly, saving time and effort. This is truly an indispensable tool for those who need firewood to heat their homes in winter. Have you ever worked with this VOL-70F? Comment 1 and share your thoughts about the ability to work on difficult construction sites with this excavator. Working at sunrise, an excavator pulled up to the front of the clearing, carrying a custom log splitter from Sunrise Excavating. The operator, with many years of experience, installs the machine and starts working. The powerful excavator cuts large tree stumps into small logs, ready to be transported to the cogeneration plant. Operators take pride in their work that not only protects the environment, but also provides energy and creates jobs for the community. Look, TAF 690 OP is a tireless pack horse in the snow-covered forests, pulling wood on the icy forest roads of northern Europe. With a 250 horsepower engine and a weight of 10,000 kg, the machine moves easily and grips on slippery ground thanks to its sturdy tracks and special tires. It can tow up to 15 tons of wood, overcome all weather conditions, including heavy snowfall, while still ensuring completion of logging work and supplying raw materials to industries. Oh no, it was a fight to the death between him and nature's fury. You will not be surprised by the outstanding strength of the MB-Track Warrior when demonstrating the ability to pull 4 or 5 long logs and ending with the scene of lifting the 2 front wheels, making viewers excited. Knows how to bring people great experiences. Volvo L110H appeared and worked at the Klobuck sawmill with a 195Q engine and advanced hydraulic system, easily handling logs weighing up to 6 tons. Rugged design with durable chassis, durable tires, and effective cooling system ensures continuous operation without interruption. Spacious cabin and intelligent control system create operator comfort and increase productivity. If you are looking for a machine to support work in your workshop, this machine is the perfect choice. Compared to traditional sawmills, the mini sawmill at Forest Live brings a breath of fresh air. Thanks to modern technology, this sawmill not only saves space, but also significantly increases productivity, reaching up to 30% compared to old models. With sharp front saw blade, stable rear cutting frame, and smartboard saw blade, each wooden frame can be processed in less than 1 minute. This mini sawmill will certainly be a revolution in the woodworking industry, helping to optimize time and effort. MANTG X33560 Warrior of the Forest. With a lifting arm that takes advantage of the energy from the 560 horsepower engine, this truck can easily lift 7-meter-long, bulky logs and stack them neatly on the trailer. The image of this truck trudging through forest roads, carrying precious wooden treasures on its back, is truly impressive. During each trip, the vehicle not only transports wood, but also contributes to the development of the wood industry. Fly high above the treetops and experience the unique perspective of a helicopter saw as its skilled pilot trims trees near important power line. With FEA certification, this device demonstrated the perfect combination of strength and dexterity when removing dangerous tree cover, providing a truly impressive sight. Let's see the JOB UM5 saw placed firmly on the stand, quickly cutting large logs into compact pieces, speeding up the heating process. Have you ever seen a lumberjack use a 50 chem longsword to cut down an XXL oak tree with a trunk diameter of 1.3 m? This was not an easy task, but the brave lumberjacks did it skillfully. With each stroke of his saw and sharp tool, he cuts through the tree's thick bark and hard wood, making deep, precise cuts. After many hours of hard work, the giant oak tree finally fell, bringing a proud feeling of victory. Learn about the fastest tree harvesting solution today using an excavator combined with a ripper tool, capable of digging deep and pulling tree stumps up to 1.5 meters in diameter out of the ground. Sharp ripper tools and powerful hydraulic systems help break up rock and soil, handling about 10-15 tree stumps per hour, depending on soil difficulty and tree stump size, providing the optimal solution for cleaning, clearing, and exploiting land. The next interesting machine is called Gens Baseman 125, a wood crusher equipped with the Easy System, ideal for wood processing in wood processing plants or in logging areas. With a 530Q motor, the machine is capable of crushing wood with a productivity of up to 200 m per hour, suitable for large capacity requirements. In addition, this equipment can crush large logs and process them stably in locations such as forests in Germany or logging areas in Northern Europe, ensuring quick work completion.